Alright, there's quite a few things going on. I have a power on the outside of these exponents, and then I'm multiplying these two monomials, so I have to remember that I do PEMDAS. So I have to do my exponents before I can multiply and divide. So I'm going to deal with this 2 on the outside of this monomial before I multiply these two monomials together. So that's going to look like a -2 squared and a b cubed squared and a c squared, c to the first power squared, and that's all still being multiplied by 4b squared c squared. The power rule that I'm going to use is the one that says a to the power of n raised to the power of m. It means that I can multiply these two things together, so a is going to be raised to the power of n times m. So that's what I'm going to do. -2 squared is going to become -2 times -2, which is 4. b cubed to the power of 2, I can multiply these two together. 3 times 2 is 6, so I get b to the power of 6. And c to the first power times 2 is going to be c squared. Now this monomial is still being multiplied by that second one, 4b squared c squared. Now I get to use the power rule that says when I'm multiplying powers, so if I have a to the power of n times a to the power of m, I get to add my exponents. So a n plus m. So first we deal with our numbers. 4 times 4. I'm going to have b to the 6th times b squared, and I'm going to have c squared times c squared. 4 times 4 is 16, and b to the 6th times b squared means I get to add 6 plus 2, which is going to be b to the 8th power. And then c squared times c squared is 2 plus 2 is 4, so c to the 4th power. And 16, b to the 8th, c to the 4th is the final answer.